3 minutes.
Magnesium is
The
one of
edge
the
of
most
any
critical
sturdy
minerals for
table or kitchen
endothelial
counter.
function.
That
It
is
is
all the
literally
first
required
technique
for your cells to
requires.
produce nitric
And
oxide.
what it does for your
And studies
sciatic
show that
nerve
nearly
is different from
68%
almost
of adults
every other
over
stretch
60
you have
are
tried,
chronically
because
deficient
instead
in
of just
magnesium,
loosening a
which
muscle,
means their
it
bodies are
gently
trying to circulate
decompresses the spine
blood
itself,
through vessels
creating
that are
space
missing the
at the
one
exact
mineral
level
needed to
where your
relax
nerve
them.
root may be getting
Warm
pinched.
magnesium water
Then I
first
am
thing in the
showing you a
morning,
second
before
technique that
coffee,
works in a
before
completely
food.
different
It
way.
is the simplest
One that
upgrade you
restores
can
the
make.
natural
And
gliding
for many
movement of
people,
the nerve
the
itself
change in
rather
energy
than the
and
space around
warmth
it.
in the extremities
Two
is
techniques,
noticeable within
two
the first
common
week.
mistakes that cancel
Hold
out
on
the
though,
benefit of
because
each.
number 4
Walk through
takes this
together
into
so you
territory
get
that
both
most
right
people
the first
completely
time.
overlook.
Stay with
And it
me.
involves something you
My
drink
name is
every
Dr.
single
Michael
morning
Kent.
anyway.
20 years
Number
working with
4,
seniors managing
structured
sciatica.
green tea hydration
Drop
timing.
a comment below right
Number
now,
4,
your
and I want
age
you to
and your
think about
city.
this carefully
I
because
read
it
every
changes the
single one
relationship
personally.
between hydration
Now
and
let us get
circulation
completely
in
into
a way
this.
nobody explains.
Why most
Here's the
stretches
question. When you drink
stop
your
short
fluids
of what
matters
your
as
nerve
much as what you
actually
drink.
needs.
And the
Most
timing
stretches
gap
you have
that
tried
most
for
seniors
sciatica
miss
work
is
on
the
muscles.
30-minute window
The
right after
piriformis
waking
stretch
up.
loosens a tight
While
muscle
you
in your
sleep,
hip that
your
may be
body
pressing
loses
against
between
the nerve.
16 and
The
24
hamstring
ounces of
stretch
fluid
loosens a
just
tight
through
muscle in your thigh
respiration
that the
and
nerve
minor
runs
perspiration
alongside.
alone.
These are genuinely
By the time you
helpful.
wake up,
And if
your
you
blood
have
is
followed this
measurably
channel,
more
you have likely
viscous,
tried
more
several
thick
of them
than it was
already.
when you fell asleep.
But here
This
is
is
what
in
almost
fact one of the
nobody
primary
explains
reasons
clearly.
that cardiovascular
These
events
stretches
like
work
heart
on the
attacks and
soft tissue
strokes
surrounding
peak
your
between
spine
6
and the
and 10
muscles
in the
surrounding
morning.
the nerve.
The blood is thicker.
They do not
The
work
vessels
on the
are
spine
stiffer from
itself,
hours
and
of
they
lower
do not
circulation.
restore the nerve's
The system
own
is
ability
under
to move
stress.
freely through the
Most
tissue
people
around
respond
it.
to waking up
Tonight's
by
two
immediately
techniques
drinking
address
coffee,
both of
which is
those
a
missing
mild
pieces.
diuretic, or they skip
Technique
fluids
1,
entirely
the counter
until
edge
breakfast.
decompression
Both of
stretch.
those responses are
This
working
technique is
against your
called spinal
circulation during the
traction,
most
or
vulnerable
decompression.
window of your entire
Instead of
day.
stretching a muscle,
Now,
it
here
gently
is where
creates
green tea
additional
enters
space
the picture.
between the
And
vertebrae
I am
and your
not
lower
talking
back.
about green tea simply because it
When
is
a disc
popular.
has bulged
I am
slightly,
talking about it
or a
because of a
nerve root is
specific
being
compound
compressed at the
it
point where it
contains
exits your
called
spine,
EGCG,
even a small increase in that
epigallocin
space can
gallate.
meaningfully reduce
Research
pressure
from
on
the
the nerve.
European Journal of Nutrition
This is the same
found
basic
that
principle
EGCG
behind
directly
decompression
stimulates
tables
nitric
used in some
oxide
physical
synthese
therapy
that
clinics,
enzyme your
simplified into
endothelial
something
cells
you can do
use
at
to
home.
produce
Here is
nitric
exactly how to
oxide
do it.
and open
Find
up your
a sturdy,
vessels.
stable surface at
Furthermore,
roughly hip height, a
EGCG
solid
has been
kitchen
shown to
counter,
reduce a
a sturdy
protein
table,
called
or a
endothelin-1,
massage table edge
which is
if you
one
have
of the
access
most
to
potent
one.
vasoconstrictors
Test the
the
surface
body
for stability
produces,
before you
meaning
begin.
it is one
Lie
of the
face
main
down across
molecules
it
that
so your
keeps
hips are
blood
right at
vessels
the edge.
tight and narrow.
Upper body
Here is the
supported on the
protocol.
table, legs
Upon
hanging
waking,
down toward the
before
floor
anything
with
else,
knees slightly
drink
bent,
12
feet
ounces
not
of
quite
warm
touching
water.
the ground if possible.
Just warm water.
Rest your forehead
This
on your folded
rehydrates
arms
the
in
blood
front of
and
you,
reduces
keeping your neck
viscosity
relaxed and
immediately.
neutral.
15
Let
to
your
20
entire
minutes
lower
later,
body hang
drink
freely.
1 cup of
Do not
moderately
tense your legs or
brewed
try to
green
hold
tea,
them up.
not too
Hold
strong
this
because
position for
excessive
2 to 3
tannins
minutes,
combine minerals
breathing
with a
slowly
small
throughout.
squeeze of lemon.
You
The
should
lemon
feel a
does two
mild sense of
things.
release
It
or
adds
space
vitamin
in your
C,
lower back,
which is a
never
powerful
sharp pain.
antioxidant that protects
mistake
nitric
that
oxide from
cancels
being
this
destroyed
technique
before it reaches vessel
completely.
walls. And
The mistake
it
is tensing your
slightly
legs or actively
acidifies
holding
the
them up
tea,
instead of letting
which
them hang
improves
completely relaxed.
EGCG absorption
When your
by
leg
the
muscles
gut.
are engaged,
In a
even slightly,
2022
you
study
create
out of
tension
King's
that
College
pulls back
London,
against the very
participants who
traction
followed a
effect you are
similar
trying to
morning
create.
rehydration,
The
then
decompression
green
only
tea
works when your
protocol,
lower body
showed
weight
a
is allowed to
21%
hang freely
improvement in
under
flow-mediated
gravity, with your
dilation,
hip
which is
flexors
the
and lower
gold
back
standard medical
muscles
test for how
completely
well blood
relaxed.
vessels respond and
If you
open up
notice your
compared to
legs tensing
participants who drank
automatically,
plain water or
consciously
coffee in the
check in
morning.
every 30 seconds and deliberately
21%
release
improvement
that
from
tension.
timing and a
A
cup
second smaller
of
version
tea.
of this mistake is using a surface
But
that is too
stay
high or
with
too
me,
low, which
because
prevents
number
proper
3
relaxed
is where
alignment.
things start getting genuinely
The edge
powerful,
should sit
and
roughly
it
at your
involves
hip
a combination
crease,
your
not higher
body
near
is
your ribs or
almost
lower near
certainly
your
missing.
thighs.
If you're still here
Technique
with
2,
me and finding this
sciatic
helpful,
nerve glides.
take a moment to type
Here is something
4
most
in the
people never
comments.
realize
It
about their
lets me know you're
sciatic
watching
nerve.
and getting value from this.
It is not a static
Number
cable
3,
sitting still
watermelon
inside your
juice
leg.
with L-citrulline
It is designed to
activation.
glide and
Number
slide
3
slightly
on our
within
list.
the tissue
And this
surrounding
one
it every time you
genuinely
move.
stunned me when I
The same
first
way
dug
a
into the
guitar
research
hamstring moves
because it
slightly
involves one
within
of the
its
most
housing.
effective
When
natural
sciatica has been
vasodilators
present for a
ever
while,
studied in
the
humans,
tissue around the
hiding
nerve can
inside
become
one of the
stiff,
most
and the
common
nerve
summer
itself
fruits
can lose
on the
some of this
planet.
normal gliding
I am
ability,
talking about
becoming slightly
watermelon.
stuck or adhered to the
Specifically,
surrounding
I am
tissue.
talking about the amino
This loss of
acid
mobility
literoline,
is a
which is
completely
found in
different
highest
problem from a
concentration in
compressed
the
disc,
white rind
and it
of
requires a
watermelon.
completely different
The
solution.
part almost everyone
Nerve
throws
glides,
away.
sometimes called
Here
nerve
is the
flossing,
science behind
are a
why
gentle
this
movement
matters.
designed
So
specifically to
for
restore
adults
this
over
natural
60,
sliding motion without
L-citrulline is a
aggressively
precursor
stretching
to
the nerve
larginine,
itself.
which is the
Here's
direct
exactly
building
how
block
to
your
do
body
it.
uses
Lie
to
flat on your
synthesize
back on a
nitric
comfortable,
oxide.
firm
Now,
surface.
there is a
Bend one
well-known
knee
supplement
and bring
called
it toward your
larginine
chest,
that
holding
many
the back
people
of your
take for
thigh with both
circulation.
hands.
But here is the
Slowly
problem,
straighten
and
that
this
knee,
is
extending
important.
your foot up
Research
toward the
has shown that
ceiling,
oral
going only
larginine
as far as
supplements
feels
have
like a
poor
mild stretch,
absorption in the
never a
gut,
sharp pull.
especially in older adults.
As you straighten the
A
leg,
large portion of
gently
it is
flex
broken
your
down
foot,
by an
pulling your
enzyme in
toes
the
back toward
intestines
you.
before it ever
Hold
reaches
this
the
fully
bloodstream.
extended flex
L-citrulline
position for 2 to
bypasses
3
this problem
seconds.
entirely. It
Then,
is absorbed
as you slowly
efficiently
bend the knee
converted to
back down
larginine
toward
in
your
the
chest,
kidneys,
point your foot
bypassing
away
the
from
gut
you, toes
entirely,
reaching forward.
and then used
This
to produce
coordinated
nitric
movement,
oxide
knee
where it is
straightening with
actually
the foot
needed
flexing,
inside your
then
blood
knee bending
vessels.
with the foot
A
pointing,
landmark
is what
study
creates
published
the
in the
gentle
American
gliding
Journal of
motion through the
Hypertension
nerve.
found that participants who
Repeat this slow,
consumed
controlled
ilitraline
movement 10
regularly
times on the same
showed
leg,
a
then
significant
switch and
reduction
repeat
in
10 times
arterial
on the other
stiffness
leg,
and
even if only
improved
one
blood pressure
side is
readings,
affected by sciatica.
particularly in
The
postmenopausal
mistake that
women
cancels
and men over
this
60.
technique completely.
Now, here
The
is the
mistake
practical
here
application.
is moving too quickly or
Take
stretching
1
too
to 2
aggressively,
cups
treating
of
this like a
fresh
normal
watermelon,
hamstring stretch where you
including
hold a
as much
deep
of that
stretch
white
for 30
rind as you
seconds
can
or more.
tolerate, and
Nerve
blend it into a
glides are not
juice
meant to
with
create
8
a deep,
ounces of
sustained
cold
pull.
water.
The nerve
No
tissue
sweeteners
responds
needed.
to gentle,
Add a pinch of sea
repeated
salt
motion,
for electrolyte
not
balance
prolonged
and a small
tension.
squeeze of lime
Holding
juice,
the extended
which adds
position for too
flavonoids
long
that
or pulling
complement
hard
the
enough
citrine
to
pathway.
feel a strong
Drink this
stretching sensation
mid-morning, about
can
90
actually
minutes after your
irritate
green
an already
tea, or
sensitive
about 2
nerve
hours
rather than
before any
helping it
physical
glide
activity.
freely.
The nitric
The
oxide
movement
boost
should
peaks
feel like a
approximately
mild,
60 to
comfortable
90
motion
minutes
you could
after
comfortably
consumption.
repeat many
So
times,
timing it
never an
before a
intense
walk or
stretch
light
you are straining
exercise
to
creates a
hold.
compound
If
effect
you
where
feel
your
any
vessels
sharp
are
pain,
already
tingling,
open
or
and
increased
responsive
numbness
when
during this
activity
movement,
begins.
reduce how far you
Several
extend the
studies have
leg
now
until the
shown that
movement
older
feels
adults who
completely
combine
comfortable, even
citrine-rich
if that range
hydration
feels
with
small
even
at
modest
first.
light exercise
A second
experience
version of this mistake is
significantly
rushing
greater
through the
improvements in
repetitions.
endothelial function
Each
than
rep should take
exercise
about 4 to
alone.
5 seconds
The
total,
combination
2 to
is
3 seconds
synergistic.
extending and
Your
flexing,
vessels
then
open,
a smooth
blood
return.
moves, and that
Doing
movement
this
signals
quickly
the
turns it into a
endothelium to
different
produce even
exercise
more nitric
entirely and
oxide.
loses the
Many
specific
people
gliding
report
benefit the slow,
warmth spreading
controlled
through their
tempo
hands and
creates.
feet within an
Putting
hour of
both
this drink.
together.
Some
These
notice
two
that the
techniques
afternoon
work well
fatigue
done
that
back to
typically
back,
hits them
ideally once or
starts showing
twice
up
daily.
later, or not
Start
at
with
all.
the counter edge
That is
decompression
not
for 2 to
coincidence.
3
That
minutes to
is
create
circulation.
space and ease
Keep
pressure
watching
at the
because number
spine
2
itself.
changes everything
Follow
again, and
immediately
it
with
works
10
through a
nerve glides
completely
on
different
each leg,
mechanism
while
than
that sense
anything
of
we have
space
discussed
and
so
ease
far.
is still
If
present,
this has been
allowing the
helpful so
nerve to
far,
move more
consider
freely
sharing
through
this with a
tissue
friend
that has
or
just
loved
had
one
some
who
of the
struggles with
pressure on it
circulation
relieved.
or blood pressure.
Many people
Most
find
people have
mornings
no
ideal
idea
for
that
this
something as simple
combination.
as
Before
watermelon
the discs
can
have
support
been
their blood
compressed
vessels
by a
this
full
way,
day of
and
sitting
a
or
simple
standing,
like helps
though
more people
evenings
find
work
this
well too
information.
if mornings are
Number 2.
difficult.
Tart cherry
This is not a
and
one-time
ginger
fix. The
anti-inflammatory
benefit comes
elixir.
from consistency.
Number 2.
Most
And
people
this is
notice
the one
the
that made
clearest effect
researchers
immediately
stop
after
and
doing both
reconsider the
techniques.
entire
A
conventional
temporary
model of
easing that can last
circulation
several
and
hours
aging.
depending on how
Here is
compressed
something
and
most people
irritated
do
things
not
currently
know.
are.
One of the biggest
Over
enemies of
consistent
healthy
daily
blood
use
flow in
across
older
several
adults
weeks,
is not
many people notice
cholesterol.
the baseline
It is not
tightness
even
and
blood
pressure
pressure.
throughout the
It
day
is
gradually
microvascular
decreasing.
inflammation.
These
The
techniques work
tiny
well as a
capillaries, the
complement to the
smallest
other
blood
approaches
vessels in your
discussed
body,
on this channel,
thinner
not
than
as
a
a
strand of
replacement
hair,
for addressing
are
the muscular
responsible for
and
delivering
inflammatory
oxygen to your
factors also
tissues,
contributing
your
to your
brain,
sciatica.
your muscles,
This is general
your skin.
educational information. If you
When
have
inflammation
osteoporosis,
builds
a
up in the
recent
walls
spinal
of those
fracture,
vessels,
or
they
any
lose the
condition
ability to
affecting bone
dilate and
density or spinal
respond. They
stability,
become rigid. They
check
narrow.
with your doctor before
Blood flow to
trying
your
the
extremities
decompression
slows.
technique.
Your brain gets
If you
less
experience
oxygen.
sharp
Your
pain,
healing slows.
increased
Your
numbness,
energy
or
crashes.
new weakness at any
And
point
here
during
is the
either
cruel
technique,
irony.
stop
The
immediately and seek
inflammation that
medical
causes
attention.
this is largely invisible.
Drop a
You
comment
do
and
not
let me
feel
know
it
which
directly.
of these two you found
You
more
just feel
helpful.
the consequences.
Subscribe for more techniques
Brain
like
fog,
this every week.
fatigue, cold hands,
This video is for
heavy legs,
educational
poor
and
sleep,
informational
slow
purposes
recovery.
only. It is
Symptoms
not
that most
intended to
doctors attribute
diagnose,
to
treat,
simply
cure,
getting
or prevent any
older.
disease or medical condition.
But research
Those with
out of the
osteoporosis,
University
recent
of
spinal
Michigan
fractures, or
and
spinal
several
instability should
European
consider